Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna be look at some of the postings from Sawyer, and we're gonna go from there. See, because basically the first posting says here is people are actually hating Elon tremendously. They are burning down like the service center and also the showrooms, and they damage all the vehicles. You know, I mean, they're crazy. And not only that, but there's a group of people on Reddit, according to Sawyer, that they're buying shorts, they're shorting Tesla, and basically is they're buying the $100 pledge for June 20th, 2025. Basically about what I say maybe 3 months from here. And I don't know, would you be shorting Tesla? Because right now, what they're in them like 200 something. And also here, just keep on going, right? Another short right here. I don't know how low Tesla can go, but Tesla is really hard to predict. It can go up, go down like really quick, and it can also pick up like really quick too. But his other posting is regarding about the inventory of the current Model Y model, because as we all know, like the new ones, pretty sure they're gonna stop the launch series. You know, because not too many people want all the bell and whistle of the launch series, and they prefer not to pay a higher price. They just want a refresh Model Y. So in this status says that Tesla has increased inventory discount slightly in the U.S. for the new legacy Model Y to as much as $8,820 off, and including the $500 referral discount. But inventory is selling out, with some areas showing no legacy Model Ys available. As you can see right here. So we're actually gonna go to the Tesla website and see if it is all the Model Y is selling out, right? And that's the only way to find out. But the discount wise, at 8,000, that's a huge discount. That's a lot of money, right? That you're saving. And if you don't mind about the new model, the new styles, you know, then that's a lot of savings, right? So let's go to, right? So we go to Tesla, and you can see the first thing to introduce is the zero APR ending in March. So what, a couple more days here for the Model 3. And let's see if Model Y, you still get the tax credit. And if you're not sure, this is the current model, current styles here, and this is the new model, the refresh model, right? So let's go to the inventory, and I like it how they do it like this now, and we'll just click on the new inventory. Oh, did I click on the Model 3? Come on, let's go, Model Y. All right, so as you can see here, the good thing about Tesla now, they made it really easy for us. They got the reduced price up on the top left corner. The first one is 8240, and these are all the performance, right? And you can see here, this is a 2025 demo vehicle with only 162 miles. That's awesome. You got this paint color, you got 21-inch, interior is black, and 5 seats, right? Even this one on this right hand side, 569. That's a lot of saving. And down here, this one right here is $88,450. So if you add the other $500 with the referral, my referral code or anybody's referral code, almost to like $9,000 savings. That's a lot. Right, and also too, this is only what 1,100 miles, then 2025 model as well. Or if you want this one a little bit less, I mean, with the $500 saving, 8,200, and you get a brand new vehicle, not even demo, right? So it is awesome deals here. 84, I think 84.5 or 84.8. This one even more here. This one, right? And it is a demo, but it only has 35 miles on it. Wow, Jesus Christ. Savings. Let's see if we can, if there's any more higher savings. I think 84.5 would be, oh, look at this one. 85.6, so this would be like 9,100 savings right here. And you look at these colors here. This is the ultra red, which is nice. 37.43, 2025, only 436 mile. And you like the quicksilver color, 909 miles, right? Come on, 2025, beautiful. Look at that, nice. A lot of savings here. Not only just on a few vehicles, but they have quite a bit here. Like they have the white colors for some that are into white. Another ultra red, right? White, ultra red. Yeah, so they got like quite a bit. So yeah, there's a lot. Oh, look at this one, 88. Look at this one, guys, 88.88 plus the $500. That's like 9,300 savings right here. 2025 demos vehicle, only 357. So by all means, I think this is the best with the highest discounts right here. And this one even has a tow package on the bottom. Damn, nice. I would go for this one. Everyone's pretty like fully loaded right here. Look at this. As you look at right here, right? Let's see if we stick to the finance portion part. $8,880. You know, if you use a referral code plus the $500 more. Ultra red, 21-inch, black and white premium interior, 5-seat interior, performance upgrade, and with the tow hitch, right? And down here you can see if you go with the 8% down, and the APR is 5.84% for 72 months. And this is included, this has a 7,500 tax credit. Very nice. And you can pretty much click on here and you can see the financing terms and everything. Right? So if you're looking at about what, $604, wow. That's awesome. Do a signing, 3,900. Wow. Nice, very nice, beautiful, a lot of savings. And you can also get the full self-driving if that's the case that you want, right? And this basic warranty, 4 year, 50,000 miles, or 8 years and 120,000 miles on the battery and the drive unit. So here, the reason why is because it has some kind of cosmetic or there was something wrong with the vehicle, but it doesn't state here, but it meets Tesla cosmetic and mechanical standard. I don't know, let's see. Here I give you the reason why it state that. So yeah, because every previous demo, Tesla has passed an internal inspections and may undergo light repairs to be prepared for sale. Normal wear and tear indicative of the age and mileage of the car should be expected. And cosmetic paint scratches that measure up to 1 inch in one direction, scuffs and scrapes that measure up to 1 inch in multiple directions, dents or dings or rock chips that are less than ½ inch in diameter. Interior wear on upholstery or interior panels, including markings, discolorations, or stains up to 1 inch. So these are some of the things that could have been with the car right here. That's why it has a lot of savings, right? Right. So that's the Model Y. So we still have a lot. So it's not like it's moving the inventory, but why is it only showing the performance? Huh? What happened to the long range? Did they not make the long range anymore? Let's see. They got 0 long range, only performance left. Wow. That's pretty good. All right, so let's see. Let's see the used Model 3, Model Y. What can you get with this? This one, you can see about 26,000, 58,000 miles for 2020. And this one, 2021, standard all-wheel drive, 2021. Let's see just the performance. So the cheaper performance, and this one right here about 26,700, but it's repaired. So plus some kind of damage there. This is a used one, 27.3. And we have another one, this one, 27.4. This one, a used one. Yeah, so might as well buy a new one, right? So let's go into the Model 3. All right, Model 3 here. Model 3, we do there's not a lot of savings on the Model 3 because it's refresh. Ooh, look at this one. 4,400. The blue one. Look at this one, guys. This is 2024 demo vehicles, 1,500 miles of that's driven. But 51,000 all-wheel drive blue color if you don't mind the blue color. And they have this one 41, 44. This one 45.6 right here. This one 2004, 1,400 miles as well too. So about 46 was the most you can save. So if you don't care about this one right here. So 40. This is the most savings by far. So this one, the price adjustment is what, like 4,560 right here. So if you get with the referral $500, it's $5,000. Price is 52. And this one, it doesn't look like it will be qualified for the 7,500 tax credit. Let's see if it does. It doesn't. So yeah, don't get this one. Don't get this one. It doesn't qualify. So you get the one that qualified with 7,500. So any of the one up here, right? You can save more. Maybe this one right here, if you want it, 2025 right here, right? Yeah, this one right here is you qualify for 7,500 for tax credit. That making your payment down lower. There we go. Look on the terms here. $728 a month, $4,000 down for 60 months, and right now they got the 0% APR, which is beautiful, right? And you can also qualify for 7,500 tax credit too. So driving these bees home. Remember, you got to take delivery by March 31st. So if you're looking in a car, Tesla, right, do it before that. But if you don't, I think Tesla usually will give you more incentive towards the end of each quarter. So maybe it's a free 2 years supercharging. That's what I got when I bought my car in the last minute. So, right, you never know. But the longer you wait, there's more the savings there. So, but taking a chance, right? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on how to buy a Tesla, charges, anything Tesla related, feel free to leave in the comment below. And also, I have partnered up with a lot of sellers for accessories, you name it, EV base, last fits, Tesla studios, Han shows. So if you use any of the link in my description, there's always discounts off. And start off with 5% all the way up to 20% off. And you can check out my other videos with all the aftermarkets that I installed recently, like the rear entertainment and also the heads up display, and also the blind spot monitoring. I think those are very critical and really nice upgrade for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, right? But and don't forget to use my referral code for the additional $500 off. And it could be up more depending on what vehicle you buy, all right? Other than that, thank you. Be safe. Till next time.